Hey guys, I'm back from the library. I just ate my lunch that I made yesterday. The chicken that I made yesterday and some salad on top. But for now, I think I'm just gonna keep reading my book, and then after that, I'm going to start doing my workout, even though I'm still really sore. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do like a light workout here at home, and yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I mean, I'm not sure if I'm gonna watch movies with my brother today because he said that he has other plans, but we'll see. I mean, in the meantime, I'll keep you guys updated, but if not, I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, just showered, and I want to show you what I made for dinner because I'm proud of it. So I made these like sushi rice bowls. This one's for my husband. It has just rice, a little bit of salad, the salad dressing, and then cucumber and some nori that I cut up. And for me, I just put a lot of salad, a little bit of rice, imitation crab, and cucumbers and the nori. On my husband's, I put mayo and sriracha on the imitation crab. Looks so yummy. Hey guys, it is Sunday today. I'm so sorry I didn't film anything yesterday. I really didn't do much. I literally spent the whole day just reading, and then after that I worked out. And then right after I worked out, shower, made myself some dinner, and I ended up watching movies with my brother, which, okay, I'm gonna review them really fast. So the first movie we watched was The Influence. It's on Netflix, by the way, and I'm gonna give that one a 6 out of 10. So I thought the acting was good. I thought the storyline was kind of like meh. It was interesting though, but it just wasn't as exciting. And by the way, the movie is, I don't know what part of the world it's from, but they speak Spanish, so that's all I know. And then the second movie, okay, I really don't remember which one it was. It was like in Italy or something. It was about bonding, and I'll look for the name, put it in the bottom. But that one I would give probably like a little bit more, 7 out of 10. It was pretty good. I liked it, and I actually loved the setting of it. It was so nice. Like the trees were so cute, and I just loved the setting. It was so cute. The storyline was kind of good. There was kind of like a twist in there that I didn't see coming, so that was good. And the acting was pretty good as well. I liked it. 7 out of 10. Okay, so for today, obviously, I don't think I'm gonna do anything either. I'm just gonna read my book, then I'm going to watch Euphoria, which it comes out today at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So for me, it's like 8 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Probably do like a face mask or something, but yeah. Okay guys, so we're on our way to pick up a Papa John's pizza. We ordered it online. Today, I actually wore my Uggs, even though it's kind of sunny today, but whatever. I haven't worn them in so long, and I saw them in my closet, and I was like, I need to wear them. Also, I'm so excited to watch Euphoria tonight. I love the sun. Sorry guys, it looks bad, but I'm so excited to watch Euphoria tonight. I really want Fess and Lexi to end up together. I just want more content from them. So I'm excited. Maybe in this episode, there's more Fess and Lexi content, but we'll see about that. We got the goods, guys. We got the goods. Papa John's. Yes. Time to go home and watch Euphoria. Okay guys, it is finally the time to watch Euphoria, and I'm so excited. So I made myself a quick miso soup. I didn't have any more tofu, so I just put in the nori in there. Put that right there. It's a little bit hot, but I'm so excited. Woo! I hope I get to see more Fess and Lexi. So, time to watch it. Alright guys, I'm done with the show. I thought it was really good. Just the things that happened, I don't know. I'm speechless. Honestly, Elliot and Jules. Anyway, I don't want to give any spoilers, so go watch it if you haven't. But now that I'm done with it, I'm probably going to keep reading my book and then I'll probably go to sleep, honestly. I'm trying to go to sleep early so that tomorrow I go to the gym. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's much more later. I already worked out, so I didn't end up going to the gym because obviously it's been raining, as you can see outside, but I just did like a really kickboxing light workout here in the apartment so that tomorrow I have the energy to go back to the gym. And tomorrow's gonna be like 71, so it shouldn't be as rainy and foggy as it is today, but I just wanted to show you that it's still raining, and I obviously love this kind of weather. So I really love staying at home, but with the sun is out, I feel guilty because I'm just like, I should be outside. The sun is out. But when it's raining, I just love being inside and being cozy because it just gives me an excuse to be inside and not go out. But I just wanted to show you guys how cool it looks from the inside. Okay guys, it is the time for a book recommendation. So it is much later, of course, because I went to the library and because I checked out this book and specifically, that's why I'm recommending this book for today, okay? So obviously this book is old, it's not new, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you know about it. I am recommending Twilight, the Twilight Saga, more specifically, Midnight Sun. So I'm pretty sure all of you know what the book or the series is about. If you haven't watched the movies, you should watch the movies. Honestly, it is kind of cringy and weird, but I love it. The summary is basically about the development of a relationship between Bella Swan, a teenage girl, and Edward Cullen, a vampire, and the subsequent efforts of Edward and his family to keep Bella safe from the coven of evil vampires. That's pretty much it. This book, Midnight Sun, it's the same book as Twilight, except it's in Edward's point of view. So there's nothing new there, except you do get a more good reading of Edward, of what's going on in his mind. While I don't love it, it is a good book. I appreciate it and it makes me want to read more. So there's that. Okay guys, so with that being said, I'm going to end the video for today. I can't wait for you guys to see the next vlog because the next vlog is going to be kind of good if I do say so myself. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later.